Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be upgrading my license plate lights from the stock to LEDs, full-on LEDs. Got them right here. There you can tell. So it comes as a pair. I'll leave the link in the description. And it also comes with a little waterproof. I'm not sure the exact names for the seals that goes right behind these. So all you're gonna need is an 8mm and a Pry Tool. That's all you need. So let's get on with it. We're gonna remove the wiring harness and thought I broke something. Alright, so it's 2 clips. Just push down, pull out, push down, and pull out. And then there is an 8mm nut right here and right here. And camera's not even focusing. Let me back out. Alright, so one here, here, and here. So we're gonna move that. That's one. That's 2. So it's a little clip right here. Just push inwards and pull out on the opposite side with your other hand. And there's another one on this side. So do the same thing. Alright, for this harness, just push down and just feed it through. That's for the touch button trunk release. Pull that out. Forgot you also need a Phillips head, so we're gonna take this out. So get these out. Get the foam installation. So on each one, they got like a little slit. If you could see right there, right there. So I poke this through. There's a slit right there. So just line it up to match. As so. And then the little hook goes over here, so push it in, slide it over. Now we're going to repeat the same process on the opposite side. Put it on. And then the same hook goes over here. Push in, slide over. Then I'll just put the Phillips heads back in. Alright. So now we can peel the protective film off. And these are 6,000K. Now we're gonna go to the back side. And reconnect the harness. It's plug and play. No modifications needed. Alright, there you go. Alright, and this part's easy. Just put it back on. And then make sure it's behind the emergency brake lever. I'm just gonna work it around like I did before. Do this. Alright. And you just put the grommets back together. Go back on it. I believe it's 12 of them, and these, they go into big circles. Just push them in. Got a couple more, and then we done. And we're gonna do a night view of the new license plate, like LED lights. Alright, all done. Alright, and here's the LED version. See how bright it is, lighting up the whole floor. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.